Welcome to Spring Creek Farm, where modern living meets convenience and comfort. Discover this beautiful new homes community nestled on Woods Drive, just minutes from the Carlisle Pike, with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Located in the renowned Cumberland Valley School District, top-notch education is available for your family. Explore a wealth of nearby restaurants and attractions, including Sophia's at Walden, Black and Blue, Appalachian Brewing Company, Banana Leaf, and Carrabba's, catering to all your preferences. Spring Creek Farm is only a 20-minute drive to downtown Harrisburg, the state capital, home to Broad Street Market and City Island. Spring Creek Farm boasts many open community spaces, perfect for outdoor activities and gatherings, creating a sense of belonging and connection. Choose from a variety of customizable floor plans to meet your family's needs, ensuring your home is tailored to your lifestyle. Select from home sites that include walkout and daylight options, maximizing natural light and outdoor living space to create your dream home. Spring Creek Farm, where convenience, comfort, and community come together to create a perfect place to call home. Welcome to Spring Creek Farm.